And dear students, next topic is the control over population explosion. If we watch the India's today population in January 2020, it was 1.38 billions, 138 करोड़ की आबादी है इंडिया की. How the rate of increase is 1.26%. It was 1.4 in 1951 and we brought it 1.26. Here we see how we can control the population. Different methods. Out of these methods, we divide these methods in the four heads. What is first is natural method, second barrier method, third is chemical method, fourth is surgical method. In the first natural method, abstinence and withdrawal are the mainly exercised. Abstinence at the time of coitus, the it is periodic abstinence, and periodic abstinence includes the um, keeping in view the ovulation. If the ovulation starts and it is mature by 14th day, 3 days before, if they don't go for meeting husband wife, then there will be no birth of the child. If no sperm comes to the ovum, then it will degenerate and menstruation cycle will start again. And secondly, it is a coitus interrupts. In it, the male doesn't ejaculate inside the vagina, it ejaculates outside the vagina. And third is lactational amenorrhea. At the time of birth, the baby sucks the milk from the mother. There is a time. It can be time of 6 months, up to 6 months. It's a very tentative. It's not sure. It can be 2, 3, 1 month only. When the mother is not lactating mother doesn't ovulate, then you can see in the slide baby suckling stimulates the nipples. Nipple stimulation triggers the signals to the mother's brain. Signal disrupts the hormone production and that suppresses the ovulation. So it's also a natural method. Such natural methods are tentative, they are guess methods, they cannot be said as a sure, we cannot surely say the it will be it will not cause the fertilization. Sometimes it can cause fertilization, guess may be wrong. And secondly, we take the barrier method. In the barrier method, there is a there are condoms, cervical cervical caps, vaults, Condoms are used by the male, and cervical caps are used by the female. They these are mainly condoms are used because these are very easily available, and these don't these are easily available. Government supplies also there. Government is also helping the people for controlling the uh, this by this method. Another method we just say the chemical method, use of oral and vaginal pills or the chemicals that change the hormonal balance of the body, so they prevent the ovulation and fertilization. In in this chemical method, there is a we can say a pill that is developed by the research center of Lucknow, that is Saheli, that is very commonly used with the females. Um, this is very effective medicine. Next, we take the uh, permanent or the surgical methods, trabeculotomy in the females and vasectomy in the males, surgical methods. In the trabeculotomy, the fallopian tubes are cut, and that leads permanent sterilization. They don't let the sperm to reach the ovum. And in the males, there is a vasa deferens is cut and tied it. So there is a permanent sterilization. Sperms do generate, but they don't go to the don't pass to the vagina. So it is very permanent method. Another method that is we see, that are intrauterine devices, in which copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375, LNG 20, these are very common. A T type copper device is introduced in the through vagina up to uh, uterus, so there is a barrier. It doesn't let the ovum sperms to reach the ovum, so it's also very effective. And another method, there is hormonal control, hormonal methods for contraception, that is implant method. Implant is a single thin rod that is inserted under the skin of the women in upper arm. The rod contains progestin that is released into the body over the 3 years. Its failure rate is 0%. Injection or the shot, women get the shots of the hormone progestin in the arm or the buttocks every 3 months. It's another method. Then hormonal methods, a patch is worn on the lower abdomen, buttocks or upper body parts, not on the breasts. They are prescribed by the doctor. It releases the hormone progesterone and estrogen into the bloodstream. Uh, it has to be changed after 3 weeks. 1 week for the left for the menstruation cycle, then hormonal vaginal contraceptive rings. A ring releases the hormone progesterone and estrogen. That you place the ring inside your vagina. And then women wears a ring for the 3 weeks, and it will have to be removed for the fourth week for the menstruation cycle. These are all the contraceptive means that can control the um, population explosion. These are exercised. These are, but these should be exercise. IUDs and implants are to be regularly checked by the doctors, and so medical help should be taken for this. All should be very clear about this. This topic is only one topic is left in this chapter. We will do it tomorrow. Okay, thank you.